In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Teachable subscription if you've decided it's time to stop your paid plan. I'll guide you through the exact screens you'll use and explain what happens afterward, so there are no surprises. First, log into your Teachable admin dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct school where the subscription is active and that you have the necessary permissions to manage billing. If you have multiple schools, use the school switcher to select the right one before you proceed. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Settings, then open the Billing section. This is where Teachable lists your current plan, the next charge date, and your past invoices. Taking a moment to review that information can help you confirm you're canceling the right plan, and also reminds you of when your access will change. On the billing page, look for the Manage Plan control. It typically appears as a button or drop-down near your plan details. Click it to open the available actions. From that drop-down, choose Cancel Plan. Teachable may ask you to select a reason for canceling or present a brief note about what cancellation means. That's normal and doesn't finalize anything yet. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation. Read the confirmation message carefully. When you confirm, Teachable will schedule your plan to end at the conclusion of your current billing cycle. That means your subscription will stay active until that date, and it will not renew after cancellation. You'll retain access to your paid features for the remainder of the already paid period, and you shouldn't see additional charges beyond that cycle. After you confirm, watch for an on-screen success message, and you may receive a confirmation email for your records. It's a good idea to note your next billing date shown on the billing page, and, if you need them for bookkeeping, download your invoices while you still have access. When the cycle ends, your account will no longer renew on the previous plan, and some features tied to that plan may become limited or unavailable. If you change your mind before the cycle ends, you can return to the billing page to review your options, but the cancellation will prevent future renewals unless you actively choose a new plan. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened Settings and Billing, used the Manage Plan drop-down to select Cancel Plan, and confirmed the change. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher.